HODL, FOMO or Degen. Sounds familiar, but you're still not sure what they mean. You're in the right place. In previous video, we covered more technical terms in the crypto world. Link is here if you want to watch it. But today we're diving into the jargon side of things. My name is Lamia, and I'm here to break down some of the craziest crypto terms you've heard. So after watching this video, you will be speaking fluent Degen. Let's get started. First up, FOMO. FOMO stands for fear of missing out. It's that anxious feeling you get when you think you might miss a big investment opportunity. In crypto, this can lead to hasty decision and buying at the top of the market. Always take a step back and think before you buy. Next, let's talk about ape in. To ape in means to invest heavily in a new cryptocurrency or project without conducting thorough research. This often happens in the excitement of a new launches or hype. It's a risky move, so always be cautious. An example would be buying a large amount of new token as soon as it launches. Next we have HODL. HODL is a term that originated from a misspelled post on a Bitcoin forum, meaning hold on for dear life. It refers to keeping your cryptocurrency investment even during market volatility. HODLers believe in the long-term value of their assets. Classic example is holding Bitcoin throughout its price fluctuations. A whale is an individual or organization that holds a large amount of cryptocurrency. Whales have the potential to influence market price with their large trades. For instance, a Bitcoin whale may cause a price spike or drop by buying or selling large amount of BTC. When someone says a cryptocurrency is going to the moon, they mean its price is expected to skyrocket. This is often used to express extreme optimism about a coin's future value. An example would be the phrase Dogecoin is going to the moon. REKT is a slang for wrecked and describe the state of someone who had experienced significant financial losses due to poor investment decision. For example, if you bought a token at its peak and then it crashed, you'd be considered wrecked. A pump and dump is a scheme where the price of cryptocurrency is artificially inflated, pumped through false or misleading statements, and then quickly sold off, dumped, to make a profit, leaving other investors with losses. It's illegal and unethical, but unfortunately common in crypto. But statements for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Its strategy to influence participants by spreading negative, misleading, or false information. FUD can cause panic selling and affect the price of cryptocurrencies. Always verify information before reacting. A bagholder is someone who continues to hold a cryptocurrency that has dropped significantly in value, hoping it will recover. This term is often used negatively to describe someone stuck with worthless or devalued assets. For example, if you're still holding an altcoin that has plummeted, you may be a bagholder. Diamond hands refer to someone who holds onto their cryptocurrency investment despite severe market volatility and losses, showing strong conviction. It's the opposite of paper hands, which describes those who sell at the first sign of trouble. Diamond hands are celebrated in the crypto community for their resilience. Now for the truly degen part of our video, the term degenerate or degen in crypto refers to someone who engaged in high risk, high reward trades, often with title to no research or strategy. Degens are known for diving into new and speculative projects, hoping for massive gains, but also risking significant losses. It's all about the thrill and potential for quick profit. Remember, while being a degen can be exciting, it's essential to know your risk tolerance and invest wisely. I hope this video helped you to understand some of the more degen terms in the crypto world. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crypto insights and tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or comment below. I'd love to hear them from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.